Oh, who's winning? Ah.
Me and Daddy win.
Did you?
Somebody's happy.
Yeah. Mummy got this B&B just because she knew it had the football gear in it. Well done, you scored. Tune then. Oh, that's nice.
Is that suitcase in our room?
Sorry?
Is that suitcase?
Yeah.
Do we need to get anything else?
Not for the moment. I thought we'd do it when we come back. Just leave them locked up.
Yeah.
We don't need them there. Look, Charlie playing the bells over there. She loves it. Yeah, I know. I noticed.
Daddy made that noise again.
Oh, very good. Oh, Daddy's good drummer. What do you think of it so far?
Very interesting.
What do you think of it so
Very
far?
interesting. Real old China, especially
Yeah.
the street outside. We're in the old town of Guangzhou.
Ah, it's
It took us an
fascinating.
hour to get here on the MRT. Taxi MRT.
Thank you. Okay. Oh, nice drumming. Wow. Oh, that's very good. Well done. Well done.
We're done.
Who's winning, Charlie? Daddy?
Daddy.
China football. Whoa. Oh!
So you understand why Chinese football's not doing well?
They seem to have two balls on the pitch. Hey! Woo! Almost. Oh. Chen Clan Ancestral Academy. So it was a school once, but the Chen family are huge. This is the top, which we can't go to because it's too foggy. You can see the Canton River, or Pearl River should I say, Canton Delta. No, it won't let you, it said so.
Do this keep in here, unfortunately.
Yeah. That's very clever. Oh, sky drop, wow. Canton Tower. Guangzhou. Sky bar. Yeah, I can. Pearl River down the bottom and a restaurant boat. And a Charlie Amber.
Which is the restaurant, but the one with coloured lights.
Yeah. You see it?
Look at these light changing things.
I know. Amazing, isn't it? Ah, yeah.
Somewhere around here.
Okay.
So tomorrow.
In terms of where we got the MRT all the way across from there to here.
Yeah. Is
Wow.
that like a stadium? It looks like a stadium, yeah. It's a stadium, yeah.
Oh, fascinating view, isn't it?
So yeah,
It's really good.
Is that?
Yeah.
Oh yes, that's the top of the stadium.
Ah. Can you? Pearl River. Can you see? It's amazingly clear. I'm not doing pictures, I do video. Because pictures don't come out because it's too reflecty. But you can actually do video. And that works quite well. You see the car? Okay, let it go for a bit. Pan round. Now press it again. Boat just leaving. Pleasure cruise at night down the Pearl River. Very nice. ranges, doesn't it?
Fireworks.
Fireworks? Where?
Yeah, it looks like fireworks.
Yeah. It's not quite fireworks.
Yeah, maybe the way
It's coming.
Hello?
Oh, you can see the river.
Feeling the... Oh, I missed it. I missed the fireworks. Van Gogh on an OLED tower. Canton Square, CBD, CBD. Ah. Chinese wood carving in the Guangzhou Museum. And he's trying to escape me. She was in early films.
You're taking a picture?
I'm just videoing. Yeah, 2006. Huh. Quite nice, isn't it? Quite weird.
There's a camera thing up there, what do you say?
Yeah.
I like that. It's lovely.
Yeah, that's quite nice. Right, let's go. A crocodile. Wow.
Shark.
Shark. Well, we don't like sharks. They would be dangerous. Hello.
Shark.
Oh, the
Crocodile.
Pearl River, and we're looking for fish. And what fish can we see? I've just seen the famous granny fish. And there's a mummy fish.
Yeah.
And daddy fish. And turtles. Oh, and there's a Charlie fish. 6 fishes. You've got 6 fish. Oh.
I caught 6 fishes.
Wow.
And I caught 7 seals.
7 seals? Did